What does butter or olive oil have to do with cis-trans isomers? There are many naturally occurring alkenes, such as the unsaturated fats and oils found in food products. Alkenes such as ethylene and propylene are important starting materials to make compounds such as plastics, solvents, and fibers. You've probably heard of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. The difference is in the location of the carbon-carbon double bond. These compounds are omega-3 fatty acids. Compare these two fatty acids, stop the video, and identify which fatty acid is an omega-3 fatty acid. So here's the answer. Fatty acids are big molecules. This number tells you the number of carbons in the fatty acid, the number of pi bonds, and the number of carbons from the end carbon where you find the first carbon-carbon double bond. You've probably heard that you can get your omega-3 fatty acids from eating salmon. It turns out that the fish do not make omega-3 fatty acids. Those fatty acids come from the algae the fish eats. Scientists are genetically engineering plants to make omega-3 fatty acids. You've also probably heard it's better to eat bent molecules than straight molecules. So compare these three structures and answer this question. So the answers are: the straight molecules are the saturated fats and trans unsaturated fats. The bent molecules are the cis unsaturated fats. Substituted alkenes can have isomers. The cis-trans isomers refer to disubstituted alkenes in which each group is on each vinylic carbon. For tri- or tetrasubstituted alkenes, use E and Z instead of cis or trans. Prioritize the groups on each vinylic carbon and then assign the E or Z designation. So let's practice. Stop the video and answer these two questions. And here are the answers. These three compounds are isomers. Stop the video and determine which compound is the most stable. And the answer is: the more substituted the alkene, the more stable that compound is. You've probably heard that it's better to eat unsaturated fats than saturated fats. Why is that? Saturated fats have higher melting points than unsaturated fats. So a saturated fat will be a solid at body temperature, which could clog your arteries, whereas an unsaturated fat will be a liquid. Based on stability, trans alkenes are more stable than cis alkenes. Based on bonding, unsaturated fats go rancid. We will look at these reactions later in this course. We named alkanes earlier. Now stop the video and name these two alkenes by applying the same rules as for alkanes. Remember to use the ene suffix for an alkene. So here are the answers. And here are the vinyl carbons. Here are the allylic carbons. Bugs and insects use organic compounds to either attract or repel predators. So stop the video and name each compound. So here are the answers. This compound was investigated as a possible Alzheimer's disease treatment. Take a look at this carbon-carbon double bond. Would it be cis or trans or E or Z? The answer is neither. Ethylene is the simplest alkene. It's used as a plant ripening hormone, which will turn, for example, unripe green tomatoes into red tomatoes. Ethylene is a much simpler compound than other ripening hormones. One ripe banana can ruin an entire banana shipment if it ripens before it gets to the store. This cycloalkene is used to inhibit ripening. Terpenes are found in many natural products and contains a multiple of 5 carbons. These terpene compounds are alkenes. Pumpkin spice was a fad in foods for a while. These compounds are found in pumpkin spices. The naturally occurring terpenes are made from mevalonic acid, which are derived from glucose.